Happy Galentine's Day! I'm going to go over the directions for the little craft that I put inside your bag. So, we're going to be putting together this little wooden bead garland, and everything that you need to make 2 of them should be in your little kit. So to start, I'm going to take some of the blue yarn, and I'm going to need twice the length of the garland. So it's probably about 4 feet, and then I'm folding it in half. You'll put that through the hole in your little wooden heart. And then just put it through. So it ties like that. And then you're going to put the beads on the string. Inside the little paper bag, there should be a large needle. So then you'll just thread all of the beads onto the string. All right, so now I have about 30 of these beads strung onto the string, and I'm going to tie a knot on the end and add a tassel. For the tassel, you can use any of the yarn that I gave you. I think I'm going to do one with a white tassel this time. So to make the tassel, you'll just wrap it around 4 fingers. Somewhere in between 12 and 20 times, depending on how big you want your tassel to be. Put that through the loop. Tie it in a knot. Then cut another little piece to tie around this part to give it a little head. And then you just need to cut all of the loops. The last thing you're going to do is trim down all of the strings so they're the same length. Then you're going to tie your tassel onto the end. I use this as one string and this is the other string, and knot them together. And you're all finished with your garland. I put in some white and pink paint, so you could paint your heart if you wanted to, and you could also paint the beads. And if you wanted to make it more of an intentional exercise, I guess you could say one thing that you love for each of the beads as you're stringing them on.